Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and today I'm going to show you how I thread my eyebrows with a piece of cotton as requested from my last eyebrow routine video. Do make sure you check that out. So first I'm just going to start off by cleaning my eyebrow area with this cotton pad and some micellar water just to get rid of any leftover makeup. And there we go. This is currently what my eyebrow looks like. Then I'm going to put some baby powder around the area that I'm going to thread. This just helps the string glide across the skin more smoothly, and it helps reduce the pain a little, a very little. This is really painful, which is why I don't like doing it. But since you guys like watching me suffer, I guess I'll do it on camera. Really try and get the skin around the eyebrow. And now I'm just going to get a piece of string and tie it into a loop. And I'll just make a double knot. Okay. Now, once you have a piece of string that's a loop, you want to just flip your hand to make the string into a figure 8, right? And it's this part in the center that's going to pull out the hair. I like to make 3 loops in the center, like this. The size of this loop is up to you. Whatever feels comfortable for you. It needs to be quite short. Also, I wouldn't suggest making this centerpiece more than 3 or 4 loops. Just because the larger the area, the more hair it's pulling out at once and the more painful it gets. But also, the greater the chance that you could bruise your skin. And you're going to go against the grain of your hair and you just open and you go backwards. You go forwards and you go backwards. Just until the hair is gone. I think this is a good place to start. Like this. And then you open. Oh my gosh, it's painful. But yeah. I haven't done this in so long, but basically just that. You don't have to go back and forth, you can go in one direction. Oh my gosh, this is so painful. But what's nice about doing this over shaving with a facial razor is the area around your eyebrow comes out really smooth looking. And it lasts a bit longer than when you shave it, but I mean a bit. Oh, this is so painful. Now you need to be really careful with this area because it's really sensitive, so you want to make sure you do it very carefully. And I don't usually completely thread this area. I usually thread a little bit and then I go in with a tweezer and remove the remaining really strong hairs, just because if you force it out with the string you could really end up hurting yourself. So you just want to carefully, oh jeez, oh. Ooh. But there you can see the hairs all coming out. Honestly, this takes a lot of self-discipline. Because it's all fun and games when someone else is doing this on your face. You have no control of the pain, but when you're doing it yourself, you're in control of it. You can already see this is a bit pink. And that's totally normal. So you can see the top of my eyebrow looks quite nice already. And then I just go in with some tweezers and remove any of the remaining stubborn hairs. And that's it. That's one eyebrow done. And you can see quite a difference. Here's the eyebrow I just did. And here's the other eyebrow. Now I'm just going to fill this eyebrow and put some concealer around it off camera, and I'll show you the final results. And there you have it. This is the completed eyebrow with concealer and some highlighter. And this is the eyebrow that I haven't done yet, and you can see a slight difference. Now I'm just going to do this eyebrow off camera and I'll be back. And there you have it. This is the final product. I honestly think I can achieve the same thing by using a facial eraser. But if you do want to go ahead and torture yourself, then you can use this threading method that I showed you. So remember, just a loop and flip, 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 and open, close, open, close, open, close. That was a nice short video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!